So, hello everyone. As you can see, got back to my dungeon. So, I love this place. Anyway, so in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the risk management and why, you can still have perfect entries, but still lose your account. Because it's in trading, it's not about how much you win, but it's about how much you don't lose. So, let's be clear. There will be a losing trades. There is no strategy with a 100% win rate. And losing is a part of the game. And the most traders who actually try and avoid losses end up blowing their account because they believe that, oh my god, I'm not, I don't accept it, I don't want to lose, I'm not a loser. You will lose and you will learn from it. And there is no strategy with a 100% win rate. This is the truth. So, a lot of traders actually doesn't fail because of their bad setups or something, but they fail because of their bad risk. Like a one big loss can cost you 10 trades. So it's not about losing a losing setup, it's about the risk management that you have. And this occasion I want to talk about this trade. So this was a second entry short, but I didn't enter. It's on a downtrend, as you can see. So this is a second entry short, this is a setup for me. So why I didn't enter? Here's why. First of all, there is a strong support area right here. The bearish candle is far away from the trend line. Even if it's reacting to the AMA, you can see it's closest to a support area. And if you enter, you must actually enter right here. So let me show you. So the time you're gonna enter by one take, market gonna reverse on you, maybe not. So this is too risky. So we don't enter some trades like this. And yeah, this is it. So when we talk about risk management and stuff, there is no specific rules for it. So if it would be, it's gonna be a one, never risk too big. So you can survive your mistakes. So never let a trade decide your future. You're gonna risk small, win as you wish, follow your your setups, follow your rules, but never risk so big. Never risk so big. Enter the way you can survive a losing trade. You can survive your mistakes. We all lose. So let's say that you trade with a live account and you got 100% on your account. Okay, so let's say that you trade 1%. Why boom 5 or something, so you lose 5 trades on 1% and boom 5% gone. But imagine you trade with 10% or 20%, so 5 trades, your account is blown, your account is gone, you went full margin. That's what we don't want to. So, and you can see the setup is moving so good. At least you can have a scalp over this one. How much is it? It's gonna be 2 points or something. At least it's gonna be nah, it's a 5 points. This is a good one. I'm not comfortable. I don't agree there. The market. Here is the thing. The market is gonna repeat this one over and over. If we actually went right here. Hold on a second. Let me change the song. So here's a setup. Here's another setup. I didn't see that because I wasn't here actually. I was sleeping because I was walking all the night. So here's a good setup. Boom. It's the first entry short, pullback, second entry short, over trend line, pullback of the EMA, close the trend line. Here is a good one. Here's a good one, fell the break higher, and it's a two-legged move, coming off of 2 legs. First leg, second leg, it's the first swing. This is the second entry. This is second entry too. First entry short, pull back, second entry short. You can enter also right here. It's not. I'm not gonna enter this one, but you can trade it. This one is good. This one is good. I was in the mosque. I was praying. I didn't see that. So this one is good. This one is perfect. It's a two-legged move. Market moving in two-legged ways. Boom. Repeat it right here. This is a leg, and then again move it up. And here is the second leg. So this was your entry, and you could immediately enter right here. This is This is your entry. Like one tick below, you get it like with a, I don't know. I believe it's gonna be like some kind of 12 points or something. It's 17 points. So this is a good trade. This is a good one. As you can see, so you see it. So prices actually reacts with the support area. So yeah, but you still got your scalp over here. So it's Friday. We might have some news. I don't know. I didn't check on the news. I don't trade news. We never trade news. We don't care about the news. Fuck the news. We trade the price action. This is rule number one. So being a profitable trader actually is not. It's not that actual like asking for dragons or something. But all you can do is protect your risk, protect your capital or something, and never risk so big. Keep your losses like with small risks, and that's it. That's all you're gonna do. This was the video of the risk management. I'm also gonna film the setups right now, maybe if I still have time. Like I got a lot of things to do. Got some sales and deals. Gonna go check for some people, and that's it. Well, I'll see you in the next video. It was like Friday, and that's it. Price still moving.